GoCreate.me is proud to offer Elementor for Writers, a premium WordPress theme for authors created by a fellow author and WordPress developer. The Elementor for Writers theme contains all of the features authors need to promote their books online, and it looks great on desktop as well as all mobile devices. When you hire me to install Elementor for Writers on your WordPress site, we start the process by meeting online. We discuss your needs, your books, your career, your situation, and then I'll install and customize Elementor for Writers on your website. If you have an existing WordPress website, I will take care of merging your existing content with the new theme. If you don't have a site, that's all good as well. I will set one up for you. If you have existing branding, colors, or fonts that you would like to use, we will use that. And if not, I will pick colors and fonts that will look great based on the types of books that you write. As part of the one-time pricing you pay, I will help you with any and all technical details related to your website, whether that's activating your security certificate, setting up your newsletter sign-up forms, helping you with the reader magnet delivery process. Basically, I help you where you need help. And this is not a cookie cutter job. I will spend several hours customizing your site so it looks great for you. Here are some websites using the Elementor for Writers theme. To keep my price low, I will only populate one of your books, but I will teach you with video tutorials how to populate the rest. I promise it will be easy, and I will set up your homepage, your contact page, your series pages, but you are responsible for providing the content, the actual words on those pages. When I'm done installing the theme, you'll have access to lots of video tutorials, so you'll know how to update your site whenever you publish a new book. This premium installation of the Elementor for Writers theme has a one-time cost of $599 US, payable in 2 installments, 50% when booking, 50% when we go live. And this includes lifetime licensing of the plugins I install as part of the theme. If you want the ability to sell your books directly from your website or possibly display your site in different languages, these things would be doable, but they would cost extra, and we can discuss that price when we meet. And as per any premium theme that you find out there, it does not include hosting, domain name renewals, security certificate, email service, newsletter service. But I'll help you with all of the technical details associated with setting up all of the moving pieces related to your author website. If my premium installation of Elementor for Writers is right for you, you can book your custom installation today.